I've always liked doing hands-on projects. I was thinking of getting into the railroad industry.
I've always wanted to do aerospace or heavy-duty machinery. I wanted to get into my skill set, get everything done quick so I could get into my career as quickly as possible.
Definitely motorcycles, and metalworking has always been a passion I wanted to pursue.
At first it was aerospace and the opportunity to work on rockets and all that good stuff, but for me personally it's turned into the racing thing. So pursuing what at one point was a hobby and now hopefully can turn into a career out doing fun stuff. Nothing else was important to me than the hands-on. 4-year university is great. You want to sit there and read books. That's awesome. Not for me.
Started hating my work, so I came to have a better job in life.
I'm just looking to go into something automotive. Me and a buddy were gonna open a welding shop together, and so I decided to come here.
The idea of learning how to make things out of metal was just exciting.
Expectations for the school was really just to develop a skill for personal use.
Well, I was already in the military, and I just wanted to further my skills in my hot rodding hobby and kind of better help my family's company, seeing that we manufacture and do fabricate stuff.
Classroom environment is pretty laid back, very fun.
It's like a brotherhood. Yeah, you become close with everybody and instructors too, it's great.
The instructors always show you hands-on, the basics to the high-end top stuff.
Instructors are the coolest dudes on the planet.
They open the doors to bringing yourself into it, so don't be scared to tap into your imagination when you're here because they allow it.
Instructors give plenty of life examples of what they did, giving us something to look forward to when we graduate.
When you have still 16 students and you have 3 instructors lingering around, I think that's a great balance.
It's better to have classes like this instead of having over 40 people in the class.
As far as the structure of the class, we got our projects done on time. It was fun and difficult at sometimes, but we all banded together and pulled it out.
My favorite project was probably the body panel. It shows us a little bit of everything that we learned.
The motorcycle chassis, that was definitely my favorite. Just seeing how everything is mounted and how to fit the tubing correctly and get the proper positioning, that was my favorite for sure. I learned a lot there too. I did like the bead rolling, even though it did kick my butt. I did have fun doing the roll cage, that was fun.
By far my favorite project probably had to be the roll cage, the notching, and the teamwork.
Probably the roll cage. Just working with the team, getting to know how to build around the chassis was probably my favorite.
The welding table one, because I get to use it still. It's at my house right now. So.
Well, I've made 4 of those vases now, and I think I like that one because it's the hardest, and it pisses you off.
Well, none of the aluminum ones. Well, actually, it is one of the aluminum ones.
Aluminum and quite hard, but enjoyable.
The bead rolling project was another one of my favorites because I like the projects where I'm able to be creative and unique.
All of them. There wasn't a single one that I didn't like, and one that I didn't appreciate as much as the others. So
I really like the camaraderie with the instructors, staff, and getting to know Russ and Matt, Penny, and Mr. Hall, being able to go to him with advice. It's been very helpful, especially in the past 2 months when I've been looking for a job and he's been able to give me some solid advice.
I'm bummed it's ending. Thank you guys for showing me and letting me learn. And
Shout out to Ronnie for the funniest videos I've probably seen in years.
Thank you to all my instructors for teaching us and putting up with us.
just want to say thank you to my teachers, and I appreciate all the knowledge that you gave me.
Just thanks to my instructors for all the tips, all the knowledge.
Nick, you're cool. Ronnie, banana bread.
I want to say thank you to the staff, everybody from Ernesto, who was very friendly. That guy's awesome, and all the staff, all the instructors. Each and every one of them has something different to offer, and of course everybody else in the office too. You guys are great. Penny, you're my lady. So all future students, man, Fab School is well worth it. It'll pay off in the end.